Good afternoon and a good day. I am Dayat Ali and today I am here to talk about the dreams. Dreams of our supreme leader, Quaid Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Yes, today I am here to talk about the dreams of our supreme and ultimate leader, Quaid Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. My dear audience, his dream was to get equal rights and respect for the Muslims of India. His dream was to get independence for the Muslims of India. His dream was sovereignty of Muslims. His dream was liberty of Muslims. His dream was prosperity of Muslims. His dream was sovereignty of Muslims. His dream was to get rid of Hindu majority and British power. His ultimate dream was to get independence for the Muslims of India. Yes, his ultimate dream was to get independence for the Muslims of India. Respected beholders, the constitutional struggle led under the wise leadership of Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah resulted on emergence of Pakistan and independence of Muslims on 14th August 1947. Just after 1 year, on 11th August 1948, Jinnah passed away, and it seems dreams of Jinnah to pass away with him. Yes, very sadly, it seems dreams of Jinnah to pass away with him. As I see violation of rights today, I see us depending on UK and USA. I see us diffused into sectarianism, regionalism and lingual disputes. I see no Islamic society today. I see Jinnah's dream shattered one after one. Yes, I see Jinnah's dreams shattered one by one. How can we face our leader in this respect? Was the sovereignty, liberty and prosperity of Pakistan not safeguarded? These questions have only one answer. We can only make Pakistan prosperous by following the rules set by our ultimate leader, Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. As he says in one of his address, you should not be influenced by any political leader or political party. If you want to raise the prestige and greatness of your country, you should not fall victim to any pressure, but do your duty as the servants of states fearlessly and honestly. At the end, I would like to say that we can make Pakistan a great country just by following the rules set by our ultimate and supreme leader, Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. May Allah help us and guide us to follow his path. Thank you.
वीडियो पसंद आए लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट्स देना ना भूलिए।